Okay, so we are with a Malaysian superstar who is going to be with me very shortly. I'm guessing in about 3 seconds. None other than Fazura herself. Hi, Fazura. Nice dress. Is it from your collection?
No, this is Rizman Rizaini.
Oh, okay, your favorite designer, right?
My favorite.
All right. So, okay. Anyway, Fazura, if I'm not mistaken, this is your third time attending the event, right?
Third time being here at IFA, and it's always been a pleasure. I've always been looking forward to come to IFA. This is the time when filmmakers and players in the industry get together from Malaysia, from Indonesia, from Philippines, and all over Asia.
Right.
Yeah.
And let's talk a little bit about, this is a film event, Let's talk a little bit about the projects that you're working on right now because I've seen the hashtag, and you are everywhere in the hashtag. Perhaps talk a little bit about your project currently.
Well, you are no stranger to the project because you are with me in the project. It's called Heroes Around Cinderella. It's my little comeback after 4 years in TV series. So it's going to be on TV on the 22nd of May. And it's 24 episode series. It's based on a best-selling novel called Heroes Around Cinderella. I know many of you have read the novel, and I'm looking forward. I'm excited, just as excited as you are. So, yeah.
Speaking about Kuching Sarawak, what is the one thing that draws you to this town? The third year in a row, it's like, wow, I'm really like, there must be something about Kuching Sarawak that captures your attention.
First of all, the people. Everyone's so nice. Like when the minute you land in Sarawak, the minute you get to the airport, everybody greets you. Everyone's so nice, and the food's amazing. And it's a natural studio. You can just shoot anywhere and everywhere. It's beautiful, I just look forward to come to Sarawak because it's such a beautiful place.
Right.
Yeah.
And you're performing tonight.
I am performing tonight with Jason D. Very excited but very nervous at the same time. Right. Wish me luck. Thank you.
I saw in your photo that you took a photo with Donnie Yen. How is he like as a person?
It was very nice. It was obviously my first time meeting him, and I was kind of nervous. He's a legend. He's a superstar. He was very nice, and it was a quick lunch, but it was definitely very memorable. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'll see you on set.
I'll see you. And set next week though.
Yes,
next week.
wow. Have a
Thank
great
you.
night.
Nice dress.
Thank you.